Let us pray today and come before the Lord in humbleness. Our theme for today is becoming a praying parent. Lord, I submit myself to you. I realize that parenting a child in the way you would have me to do is beyond my human ability. I know I need you to help me. I want to partner with you and partake of your gifts of wisdom, discernment, revelation, and guidance. I also need your strength and patience, along with a generous portion of your love flowing through me. Teach me to love the way you love, where I need to be healed, delivered, changed, matured, or made whole. I invite you to do that in me. Help me to walk in righteousness and integrity before you. Teach me your ways, enable me to obey your commandments, and do only what is pleasing in your sight. In Jesus'